That was fun. Yeah. We were reading the other steel talking about this. It's still making 25%. We just got off Black Bear Pass. What a fantastic time that was. That is an awesome trail. We did wait at the trailhead for about 15 minutes for another Jeep to come by and just tagged along with them to make sure we weren't doing it ourselves. For the most part, we didn't need a spotter. There was one point that was really good to have one. So the guys in the other Jeep, there were 4 of them, they were able to get out, do the spotting. Other than that, it was a good trail. Beautiful scenery, pretty technical, pretty narrow, but loads of fun. So now we're just airing up so we can go have lunch with a friend in Telluride and then head off, go west. Well, we popped into the San Juan National Forest in Dolores, Colorado, and we were just out looking for a site, and we've come upon a herd of cattle that are free range, so we're kind of letting them pass as they go across the road before we look any further. Well, it is that time again. We are settled down for the night. We decided to stop at Mesa Verde National Park. It's a beautiful park and a much lower elevation, so it's going to be a little warmer tonight. We've got a nice fire going. We've got the spicy pasta dehydrated meal. Rehydrating right now. We're looking forward to that. And overall, it's just been a fantastic day. As I said earlier when I was airing up, Black Bear Pass is fun. The ledges are much bigger than on Engineer, and the switchbacks are pretty dang interesting. 3-point turnarounds and things to make it around the corner. They're so tight with some pretty heavy drops on the side. So it was just a really, really fun trail. And I want to thank those folks from Oklahoma that let us tag along. That was really nice of them. But as I said in the earlier part of the video, this community is so fantastic. So it's just really a good day. Tomorrow we're going to explore Mesa Verde. Then we're going to head west. We don't know where we're going to go yet. We're on our way to Antelope Canyon and the Grand Canyon. So overall, I'm glad you're joining us. I hope you've enjoyed it. And cheers.